Okay, so I'm back again, and it was kind of nice to have this little electric snowblower, but I didn't get anything done in here, which the ceiling is going to go up here pretty soon in this room, hopefully next week. I'm starting to feel better. I haven't worked in this garage for over a month. One, it's 4 degrees out for over a month, for a month straight, and two, the problem I'm having in my stomach is finally starting to get better, so I haven't really done too much out here. But this weekend, I just finished up. I got my ceiling tiles in, which a lot of people will be like, "Oh my God, that's weird," you know. What it is these ceiling tiles are allowing the light to come through. I've never hung the tiles before. It's basically a drop ceiling is what it is. But it's going to help with the camera, the light in the camera, and let me show you why. When you come like to the farther end of the garage, like say I have the camera set up like right here, if you look, it knocks the light out at different angles of the light. So as you move, some of the tiles will get lighter and some of the tiles will get darker as you come into the... Anyway, the ceiling's up. I'm done. I'm gonna start hopefully hooking up next week. I want to get the computers hooked up, and I want to go ahead and finish off the ceiling in here, which now that I've hung this drop ceiling, this little area here will take like no time. So I'm making it. It just you know, the cold weather, once it gets cold, I don't work in it. So stay posted. I've got some pretty big things I'm hoping that happen. However, I'm just trying to survive like everybody else. It's just been, the money has been a big burden this year. So all right, I'm out of here.